a parents' evening, you're going to go to your Manage Parents area, set up or edit a parents' evening. You're going to select Set up a new parents' evening. And now you're just going to start at the top and work your way down. So pop your title in. You're going to click into this box to relate it to the relevant class. You can also use this box on the right hand side to assign parents' evenings to groups of children rather than classes. Here you've got the option to add a start time and date for the parents' evening. So if you want your bookings to go live at this particular time and date, then you can set it here, and you can have them end at this time and date. If you leave this blank, the bookings will go live as soon as you press Publish It for Parents. Now I'm just going to tick active and I'm going to start adding my slots. I'm just going to click on Choose Your Start Time and Slots. Click here to enter the date of the parents' evening, what time you want it to start. Just click off. Create this many slots. I'm just going to select how many slots I want to make available, how long I want the slots to be, and then just press Create these slots. So you can see now it's going to give me a list of all the slots that I'm going to make available, and I've got the option to add actions on the right hand side. So if you click into these, you can see you can delete slots, you can add headers, and you can also add breaks in, and you can merge slots. So if I just add a break in, select how long I want my break to be, and then just press yes, and that's going to update there. If you want to add a second day to your parents' evening, you can see here on the right hand side I can click to create a second day and just go through and do exactly the same thing. So select the second date, what time you want it to start, how many slots you want to make available, and how long you want these slots to be, and click Create It. And that's going to put your slots side by side, and again you continue and just start adding any breaks in if you want to add a break. Once you've got your slots set up and you're ready to go, you've got the option at the bottom to save without publishing it to parents, and that's going to save it within School Spider. Or you can just click on Publish It for Parents up at the top here, and that's going to send a notification to all parents that are logged into the app, and it's also going to send them an email which they can log in via your website. I'm going to click Publish It for Parents now and just give you a little preview of exactly how that's going to look for the parents. So once you've published your parents' evening to your parents and they've started booking on, to view the parents' evening, you can just go back to the same place where you set the parents' evening up, so Manage Parents area, set up or edit a parents' evening, click onto the blue plus on the parents' evening that you want to view, and you'll see now that the software has added in your headings for each day, and you can see any bookings that have been made. So you've got the child name there and the parent name, and you've also got the option to manually book parents in using these drop downs. So if you just click onto the drop down, it'll give you a list of all the parents and the children in that particular class. You can then select the person that you want to book on, click on to book this slot, and that's going to manually book them in. You can also change slots to breaks if you need to, and then once you've got all your bookings, you can download them as a PDF or as an Excel. If I just click onto the PDF, and you'll see now you'll get a list of all the bookings, who's booked on what time and on what date. If you are setting up multiple parents' evenings for all the different classes, you will see you've got a new icon here, which is just this little stamp. This is the clone icon, and what this is going to do is it's going to clone all the information that you've just done, so you start time and dates and the slot length and everything else, and now you can just click into here to change the year group, and then you can change any information on your slots here as well and publish straight away. And you'll see now you'll get a list of all the bookings, who's booked on what time and on what date.